Hey, how's it going? And today I was just going to show you how to create kind of a cool sine wave effect. And this is just something that has a lot of application. You could use it for a background, for music, all different kinds of things. And it's pretty easy to do. So we're just going to go into model, geometry, and we'll do a sphere, and we could add more segments on here, and let's see if that makes any difference. And we'll go okay, and then we'll go in the surface editor and we'll just turn on smoothing. And we have these lights here. You may find that distracting. I'm just going to let it be for right now. And so if we go into the surface editor, I didn't even notice that there is a time node here. So here it is right here under item info, it's time. And then we can search for a sine wave function here. And all we're going to do is plug time into amplitude. And you'll see it goes flatline right away. But if we hit play here, you'll notice it starts changing. See that? Well, that's actually, I plugged it in amplitude. I take that back. I meant to plug it into frequency. Let's go ahead and extend our in frames to 1,000. And now if we hit play, we can kind of see what's happening here. So that's the effect that we're going to be using. Okay, so now we're going to have to come in here and go into VPR. And you can see the effect taking place. But what we want to do is we want to go around to the top here. And let's see. One thing we can do with the camera if we want is we could switch to orthographic view, excuse me. And if I go into camera view, I'm going to have to rotate this. So let me get on the sphere here and rotate this on the heading. So this way we just have it nice and centered. I guess I could make it exactly 90 degrees. And we can just leave it like that. And then we can punch in. And believe it or not, that's it. And if we just hit play, we've got this kind of cool sine wave effect. And like I said, you can play around with when you render this out. Once you render this out, you can zoom in on this center section. And then if you don't want to be in the orthographic view, you can just go back into, if you go on the camera, you can just go on here and just put it back into perspective if you want. If you want to just have a little bit more control. So we're on perspective there, but I'll just go ahead and turn it this way, and we can just zoom in here. That would be one way to just do that and match our perspective. And then if I go to camera view, there we go. It's kind of a cool look. And I hit play. Well, I guess I have the ball rotating. I don't want it going that direction. What I did. Let's see. I'm on the object. Yeah. So let me fix that here. Did I not delete it? Should have deleted that frame. Let me go back into perspective here. There we go. So let me see where this is. Does it move? There we go. Okay. Yeah. And then I can just match my perspective here and go to camera. There we go. And then if I hit play, you'll get the effect of it. It's just a kind of a really cool effect. So anyway, I hope you found this helpful. Take care, have a great day, and I will talk to you next time.